All right, this is a fun video, but I won't tell you why. Let's experience it together. All right, example 3. Find y prime, where part A, y is going to equal the natural log of x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. And you look at this, and you say, Jason, this looks terrible. I'm going to have to take the derivative of natural log. That's 1 over the inside. And then I'm going to have to use the chain rule and multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is the product rule twice. Jason, I'm going home. I'm quitting this class. I'm getting an F. It doesn't matter. No. Because we're going to use our 4.6a powers to make this way better. Okay? Simplify first. This is not an option. This is not optional, okay? If you do not simplify this first, you are going to have a bad time. Use those properties of logarithms. This is the natural log of just 3 things multiplied by each other. So it simplifies, or it separates, again, it's not technically simplification, I don't think, as the natural log of the first thing, plus the natural log of the second thing, plus the natural log of the third thing. And so taking the derivative of a natural log of a whole bunch of things multiplied by each other really sucks. But the derivative of a whole bunch of things added together is really nice. Now this is not bad at all. Easy problem. Easy problem. Maybe. Let's take the derivative. Derivative of natural log is the reciprocal. Derivative of the next natural log, still the reciprocal. Multiply by the derivative of the inside. We do need the chain rule, right? There's not just an x here, but the derivative of the inside is 1, so it's really nice. And third one, 1 over x plus 1 times 1 as well. Oh, great. That's it. Easy. No chain rule. Well, baby chain rule. No product rule for sure. Nice problem. All right. And really, we're just going to clean up our answer a little bit. Get rid of those 1s. Oh, not that one. No. 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. And this is a perfectly fine way for us to have our final answer. There we go. So the problem either becomes fairly straightforward if you simplify first, or a real big nightmare if you don't. Your choice. You want to do it the hard way? Be my guest. I will be very impressed if you can do it correctly. Otherwise, I will just kind of shake my head while I'm grading your quiz. Next problem. Y equals the natural log of the square root of x e to the x squared plus 1. And again, this is a nightmare. We don't want to touch this. We don't take the derivative of this. But if we simplify it, nice things happen. We're going to simplify first. So, okay, square root, right? That's an exponent of 1/2. That 1/2 comes out in front. All right. Now, what have we got? We have 2 things multiplied by each other on the inside. Multiplication on the inside of a log is addition on the outside of the log. But be very careful, because the 1/2 goes to both of them. The 1/2 is in front of the whole thing. It becomes 1/2 times the natural log of the first guy plus the natural log of the second guy. Now this first thing is done, right? This is not moving. The second thing, ooh, that's something real nice. Remember that natural log and e to the x are inverses. They cancel each other out. So we sort of have this, and I'm not going to write this down, but it's kind of what's happening. We're just left with that exponent. Let's distribute that 1/2 as well. 1/2 ln x. Again, we're distributing the 1/2. That's supposed to be an arrow, by the way. I don't really know what it is, but it's supposed to be an arrow. Plus 1/2, that cancellation happens, and we're just left with x squared plus 1 for that second term. We could simplify it even another step if we wanted to, or we could start differentiating. It's kind of up to you. I'm going to distribute that other 1/2 as well. And now this is a lot easier to differentiate than what we started with. So let's find y prime. 1/2 is a constant, comes out in front. Derivative of natural log is 1 over x. They are being multiplied together, so be very careful. Don't write a subtraction sign. This looks like a subtraction sign. It's multiplication. I'll write the biggest multiplication you've ever seen. And 1/2 x squared, derivative is just x. Derivative of the last guy is 0. So we're really just left with 1 over 2x plus x. Just like that. Enjoy.